Hey guys, this is the Delaware Bridge. I'm coming from New Jersey. I'm going into Delaware and then eventually today to Baltimore. But for those who have never drove over the Delaware Gap Bridge, I want to share this with you. It's a beautiful bridge, nice scenery. It's a little cloudy today. It's a pay toll, it's $4 per car. I have Easy Pass, but I just want to share this experience with you. As I'm driving. It's a very nice architecture bridge, and it's just something cool to see. Again, if you don't get out much, if you're bedridden, or if you just live in a different part of the world or country, I want you to experience some of the infrastructure. America's infrastructure, meaning the roads, the bridges, the trains, all the different things that allow us in America to go from one place to another, including the electrical grid, including everything that provides transportation power. All those things are referred to as infrastructure, and that allows society to commute. It allows society to complete business transactions, to just be connected, right? I mean, it's just like it's a physical internet connection. And the more you're connected, the more you can, execute deals and transfer goods and services and, share ideas. I mean, and just, you're making a connection. That's what infrastructure does. It connects one part of the world to another, or one part of the state to another, or one part of the country to another. And infrastructure is key to growth. And infrastructure is one of the major reasons why America has been successful, okay? And so, there's plenty of other countries in this world that have, triple our population, such as China and India. And it's nothing against them, but part of the reason why America, I mean, there's various reasons, but one of the reasons America has prospered, when we have less of a population of some other countries, is because of our infrastructure, which connects our society, and which also provides services to our society to do various basic functions, and frees us up to do other things. So, again, it's not a statement of we're prideful, we're better than any other country, because that's not the statement I'm trying to make. I'm just trying to shed light on infrastructure, bridges, roads, etc. Which mainly is paid for by our tax dollars. That is a benefit to society, and that's what helps our society. That's what helps our society to prosper and to grow. Even though we don't have as big a population as some other countries, such as China and India that I mentioned. Those are the two biggest populated countries. Again, there's various other reasons in society, and our freedom is a big reason why, and our Constitution and all those things. But I just want to share that insight as I travel, and share this experience as we just drove across the Delaware Bridge in America, in the USA. So stay inspired wherever you are in the world. Know that you are special, and that you have something to add. No matter what your background, no matter what your country, no matter what your culture, you have something positive to add to this world, and you should seize the moment and do it. Stay inspired. Okay guys, so we're getting ready to go through the Baltimore Tunnel. It will bring us, we're on I-95, so I just want to share this. This is another great piece of infrastructure that America has. This Baltimore Tunnel here. It's just an amazing thing. I mean, that people take for granted. All the work and all the investment that you put into infrastructure has a huge payoff. All the commerce, all the cars that go back and forth and travel between states, and just the mobility that keeps commerce flowing is part of prosperity. And that's part of the investment that makes infrastructure worth it, from any scale. I mean, whether we're talking about a country, whether we're talking about a business, anything. Infrastructure equals prosperity. And these type of things, bridges, tunnels, electric car stations, electric charging stations, all those things provide capability for people to move freely amongst the land. And when people move freely amongst the land, they go to different areas, they spend money, and that helps business. And that helps And then when those businesses grow because they have people that are not normally in that area shopping there and spending money there, then they hire, then they invest, and it's just a cycle. It's a cycle of healthy growth that it's key. So I just want to share that. These are my thoughts as I'm taking a ride here. I showed you the Delaware Bridge. I'm showing you now the Baltimore Tunnel, and then I'm going to show you the Tesla car charging station, which is part of future infrastructure for green energy when I made a pit stop on the rest area, Maryland. So that's it. That's key. We're getting ready here to get out of the tunnel. There is light at the end of the tunnel, thank God, and that light is hope. That light is hope. It is not a train coming. So stay positive, keep a positive mindset, and remember that infrastructure equals prosperity. Take care. This will be part of America's future infrastructure. These are electrical vehicle charge stations. These are specifically for Tesla. But this is part of the future, green energy, efficient energy, using this to plug in and to power your vehicle. Infrastructure is key. Bridges, tunnels, electrical grid, green energy, efficient type of infrastructure. All those things are key to economic growth in society. So I'm just pointing this out. This is currently in Maryland at Chesapeake House Rest Area off I-95. So I've seen these continue to grow and sprout up. So Tesla is putting these out there, and I'm sure there'll be more. And I have seen generic electric charge stations for just any type of electric car. So just to be mindful, electric infrastructure and green energy efficiency and overall infrastructure is key to any society growth.